So I've been trying to lose weight for a really long time, and here recently I started Wegovy. So this is the first week update on Wegovy. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you'd like to see me try, go ahead and leave it in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so it has been a complete week on Wegovy. Now we're going to go ahead and insert our weigh-in this morning, and then we will come back and talk about how the first week went. It's been a week since we last did a weigh-in. I was at 24.4. I did weigh myself later that afternoon, but as you can see, right now I am at 218.8. So, and then I was at 24.4, but later on in the afternoon when I weighed myself, I was at 24.8. So it shows that I have lost 6 pounds for the week. So that's good. Yeah, so we'll go sit down and we'll have our little talk about how the week went. Okay, so as you can see, I lost 6 pounds. I started at, and it was actually 6.4, but we're not going to count that extra 4 points because I stepped on the scale that afternoon, and you know, whenever you eat during the day and stuff like that, your weight fluctuates, and I don't even know why I stepped back on the scale, because me and that scale have a love-hate relationship. So I stepped back on the scale. I weighed 224.8. So when I weighed this morning, I was down 6 pounds. So I was at 218.8, which is good. I'm happy with that. I mean, that's quite a bit of weight during the first week, is 6 pounds. I don't know if it was water weight or anything like that. I normally just drink my water. I drink about 4 or 5 of these a day. I used to drink a whole gallon a day, but it's kind of hard to carry around a big gallon of water. And whenever I'm at work, it's hard to carry around anything. I normally just get water from my job. So, you know, and with that, you kind of just have to go where you can, which with me, water is very important because I have this habit of getting kidney stones and bladder infections and stuff like that, so I have to drink a lot of water. Okay, so the first week, let's see. After the injection, I didn't really feel anything. I did get a slight, like, whenever you go to inject it, I did feel the medicine like going in, like it was like a warming sensation. I wouldn't say burning because it didn't burn and it didn't hurt, but it was a warming sensation. So I did get that. I didn't get sick at all this week. Like I didn't feel sick or anything like that. It did curb my appetite quite a bit, and I did start giving myself like an 8-hour window and to eat, and I've tried to stay below 1,200 calories. So I mean, there's that, but it wasn't that hard because the medicine, like normally if I'm trying to count calories or anything like that, it's hard because like I'm hungry. With this medicine, I wasn't hungry, like at all. Like I just wasn't hungry. Like normally, like I'll sit on the couch and I'll like snack and stuff. This time I didn't do that. I didn't have the need to. So that was a good improvement from the way that I normally am. But yeah, so I did get the curbed appetite. I didn't get any side effects like any sickness or dizziness or anything like that from the medicine. So that was good. So I am going to go and do my week 2 injection right now. And then I will see you back here in about a week, and we will go over the second week and see if I've lost anything, if anything's changed or anything like that. But yeah, as of right now, you know, I have my appetite's curved. I my energy level is about the same. I haven't like if I eat a meal heavy in carbs, I always get tired after that meal. There's just something about there's just something about me eating like carbs or sugar or anything like that that kind of makes me a little groggy. I don't know if that's a me thing. I've had my A1C checked before and they said there's nothing wrong with like my sugar levels or anything like that. And my blood sugar don't normally like get real high that I know of. But you know, it could be a number of reasons. So I didn't eat very many meals high in carbs. I did eat out once this week, I believe. We went to Sonic and no, twice. We went to Sonic and then we went to, or I ordered in Panda Express because I was having a craving. So, but I didn't even finish all my meal. I ended up giving the rest to my husband because I just wasn't hungry. Like I filled up right away. And I'm the type of person, I won't overeat in one sitting because I don't like feeling sick. So like even if I go to a buffet, like everybody else will be like pigging out and I'll eat like one plate, maybe two if like I get a plate and then some dessert or something like that. But it's very rare that I tend to like overeat and gorge. My main thing is like the sweets and breads and stuff like that. I'll sit like on the couch and just snack on bread all day, snack on cake all day, whenever I do have a bad habit. But here recently, like ever since I've been starting on my diet journey, I haven't really been doing that too much. I've been really trying not to stay away from the sugar and the carbs and stuff. So I'm really hoping that this medicine will help me because it's been hard. It's been a long journey. I tend to stay pretty positive. Like I'm one of those people that believe whatever you put out into the world is what you attract back. So I try to stay away from all the negativity and stuff like that. So I don't really get too hard on myself or anything like that, which could be a bad thing, could be a good thing. But I tend to stay positive. So we're going to stay positive, and even though it's difficult, we're going to get to where we need to be for our health and our children and our future. And yeah, I'm excited to take y'all along on this journey. So I will see you next week, and we will do another weighing early in the morning, and I will let you know if anything has changed. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great week. Bye.